first step in creating a season is to give the season a unique name. From there, identify the approximate beginning and end dates of your season. These dates are used to categorize information as it relates to the season. These dates can be edited at any time. Next, choose the crop that you are growing during this season. Seasons are set up on a per crop basis, so you will need to create more than one season if you grow more than one crop. You will also have the option to enter your bed width, center to center width, and plant spacing if you would like to calculate net acreage of your plantings. If you have regularly spaced drive middles in your field, you can also enter in drive middle width and the number of beds in between drive middles. All of these measurements will help Highland Hub calculate net acreage for various spray scenarios you might encounter in your operation, such as spraying just your beds with crop protection products or just your row middles with herbicides. Once this information is completed, select all sites where this crop is grown. Seasons can be edited to include additional sites as they are created if needed. When all sites to be included in this season have been selected, click Save. From here, each site included in this season will be listed with an Add button. This will allow you to add planting information as it relates to each site. At least one site must include planting information before a season can be saved. When you are ready to create a planting, click Add next to the desired site. Here, you will see the site boundary and blocks you created during site setup. To plant a block, select the block you want to plant, and then click the planting icon on the left-hand side of the map. This will generate a line item under the map, allowing you to identify the planting and add additional information such as plant variety, adjusted acreage, plant type, vendor, lot number, the plant date, and the anticipated harvest date, as well as a color to distinguish the planting. You can also add multiple plantings to a single block if needed. Select the blocks you want to add the plantings to, then select the split icon on the left-hand side of the map. This will open the drawing feature, allowing you to click to add points to create a boundary for the plantings you wish to add. Click the first point you added to close the boundary. Add as many plantings as desired. Each planting you add will create a new line of information under the map. Once all planting information has been added, click the Save icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. If you need to make changes to a site you have already planted, click the Edit icon. Once completed, click Done to save the season. This season can later be edited or additional sites can be added by selecting Manage Seasons from the Highland Hub dashboard. At any point during your season setup process, you can click the button labeled Instructional Video to replay this tutorial.